What is up, my beautiful YouTube family? Welcome once again to the video. This is a month update of having my Camaro, guys. I'm gonna show you what I've put so far in it and what I've modified to it and little things that I've added. Here's a quick review of what I've done so far. Okay, I'm gonna start in the front. I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna tell right away what I put. Yes, I put the black bow tie. You guys can see right there, and then I put the Camaro license plate at the bottom. I don't mind if you guys check me out. I don't care showing you my license plate. See, Camaro. And then the black bow tie. Very nice. It gives it that, you know, aggressive look to it by adding that black bow tie. Man, it looks freaking awesome. Nothing on the side. Wheels still the same. Oh, I did add this little thing right here. I don't know if you guys can even see it. It says anchor room. I bet you could barely see it, but it's there, And the big thing is the window louvers. Yes, I added window louvers. I don't know, guys. A lot of people hate them. A lot of people love them. Personally, me, I freaking love the window louvers, how this thing looks. It looks freaking amazing. Look at this beautiful thing. Who does not want to have this window louvers in their cars? Like, why wouldn't you want to get this? It's so awesome. In the back, I did put the black bow tie too. You guys can tell right away. And there's an annoying loud bike. Watch. Oh, never mind. It's not annoying. He's a rider too, just like I am. I did put the Super Sport sticker. I moved it to the side a little bit. I don't know why. I had it on this side. I moved it to this side. Okay, that was pretty loud. Like I was saying, sorry about that. Like I said, I had the Super Sport sticker on the side. On the side, I did move it to a little bit to the right. I don't know why. I did put the Camaro license plate too right there, and like I was saying, the black bow tie. And I don't know if you guys can tell, just now, about 10-20 minutes ago, I added this. I don't know if you guys can even see it. It says Camaro right here. Right there, when I step on the brake, it lights up Camaro. It's very freaking nice. I love that. I saw the video of it and I was like, you know what, I gotta get that, man, for sure. But that's pretty much it, man. I mean, I haven't really added a whole lot to it yet. It's barely been a month. I want this car to look like a beast. I am gonna add a lot of more things, but you know, little by little, I will add stuff. But let me know what you guys think about these louvers, man. I want to hear your opinions on these louvers. I mean, do you guys like it? Do you guys hate it? Let me know in the comments down below. See what you guys got to say. But that was just a quick review of my car, what I put into it so far, and that's pretty much it. I'll keep you guys updated as I put more and more things. I'll keep you guys up to videos. But that's it, guys. Thank y'all for watching, and as always, have a nice day.